Ahoy there, travelers, and welcome back to San Antonio. I hope you're hungry because ChaCha Zee have just set sail on a foodie adventure you'll never forget. Let's dig in.
Wow, Zee! Amazing local food on a riverboat.
Oh, I'm so hungry. Hope I don't get seasick. Ooh, hard corn shell, ground beef, cheese, lettuce, tomato, and some spicy sauce.
You got all that from one sniff? Oh, hey, Beatty. He's the best smeller north of the South Pole. Ew, that's gross.
I don't even know what it's called, but I like it.
That's a taco, Zee.
Yeah, well, I call it taco-licious.
Taco-licioso. Taco gusto.
Ah, mis amigas.
Want to try anything else?
I want to try everything else.
Zee!
Negrita de mis pesares, ojos de papel volando, negrita de mis pesares.
Oh, what's this? Nachos.
That's not your grandfather's appetizer.
Unless your abuelo was from our city.
Whoa, they're fast. What's this?
Enchiladas. Meat, lettuce, tomatoes, and cheesy goodness wrapped in a tasty tortilla.
In English, does San Antonio mean pass more enchiladas?
See, mind your manners. This is the Arneson River Theater. We perform live on this stage, sometimes baile folclóricos.
And what's that?
This is where the people sit to watch the performances. So our boat gets to run right through the theater in front of the dancers and everybody? That's right. Wow, I've always wanted to be in a dance show.
And I've always wanted some dessert.
And it's right at the edge of La Villita, the original historic San Antonio. I want to go see that. I can take you there in episode 3. Episode 3? Episode 3.
Whoopee! What's that?
It's the episode after 2.
Oh, Polly.
You're funny. No, what about that?
Oh, that's the Tower of the Americas.
Oh, you're fast. Hey, we need to go there too.
I can take you there. When? In episode 3.
And when's that?
Right after episode 2, silly.
Oh, yeah. Well, on our way, I have an idea. Can I have a bite of your sopapillas, Cha-Cha? Here, just one little bite.
No! You're always stealing my food. Keep your sticky wings off my dessert.